Hotpoint 8400 BTU. Kenmore 8000 BTU with a Westinghouse motor. The Hotpoint has a GE motor. This is the 8000 BTU Climatrol made by Fetters with the Samsung fan motor. Let's try low speed. Sharp 8500 BTU with the Samsung fan motor. Here it is coming up to low speed. $6,000 BTU General Electric air conditioner from 1972. This has a GE motor in it. That was medium. Let's go up to high. $5,000 BTU Whirlpool made by LG. Not sure what the manufacturer on the fan motor in this one is. I think it's Oh-Sung or something like that, but it sounds pretty cool. Hopefully you could hear that. 6300 BTU Emerson Quiet Cool with the Westinghouse motor. That one's a little bit hard to hear. Let's go up to high speed. And then we'll do low. $5,000 BTU Kenmore by Whirlpool. This one has a universal electric fan motor. $6,500 BTU Sharp with a Samsung motor. And here it is coming up to low speed. $5,450 BTU Kenmore with a GE motor. Holmes 5200 BTU with a Macmillan fan motor. $5,000 BTU GE Carry Cool with a General Electric motor. That may have been kind of hard to hear. I'll do it again going up to high. And another Sharp with a Samsung. This one doesn't have quite as loud of motor harmonics as that other 8500 BTU. LG 8000 BTU with a Broad Ocean fan motor. Let's do high speed.